this subwoofer with this setup because these will get all the way down to the 40 hertz range. This big 8-inch woofer does great. There's also a 1-inch tweeter up here. They only have a couple sort of weird quirks. Matter of fact, this is a wireless charger that I'll get to in a second right next to it. But the shielding on these is imperfect, I guess, because if you have a phone like right next to it for long enough, sometimes like RF interference you can actually hear on the speaker, and I'll hear like a little faint buzzing sound. Sometimes like right before I get a call or a text message, I'll hear the speakers buzzing and I know I'm getting a signal, which is crazy. Anyway, typically they perform great, they sound great. I know exactly what they're supposed to sound like from sitting between